Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable HSA contributions using Lively, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable HSA contributions using Lively, first, visit the Lively website. Log in to your Lively account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for the Contributions tab within this section. Click on the Enable Contributions option. You will see various contribution methods available. Select the method that suits you best, whether it's payroll deductions or direct deposits. For payroll deductions, follow the prompts to link your employer's payroll system if applicable. If choosing direct deposits, enter your bank account information. Next, specify the contribution amount you wish to set. Review the annual limit for HSA contributions to ensure compliance with IRS guidelines. Once you've confirmed your contribution amount, click on the Save button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your contributions have been enabled. Make sure to check your account periodically to monitor your contributions. If you have any questions, refer to the Help section for further assistance. By following these steps, you will successfully enable HSA contributions in Lively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.